Look at temperatures right now. We've got 79 degrees in Okeechobee and Vero Beach, and 78 in West Palm, 79 Belle Glade, 79 Boca. We're going to top out in the low 80s today. The talk of the town is what the weather's going to be through the weekend here. And as we take a look at the satellite picture, I've got the water vapor on for you, so you can see the drier air is in brown, and you see that's all around Florida with some little blue flecks here and there, and that means there's a little bit of moisture, enough moisture to support maybe a couple little showers blowing on in. But then your focus might be drawn to the right-hand side of the screen there where there's that big green-blue area. That's the moisture that's headed in as we get into the weekend. So that does change our forecast a little bit. Here's a look at the temperatures for today. Low 80s, windy, and, well, I'd say mild to warm, a mix of sun and clouds. We've got mostly sunny skies down here right now. East-northeasterly winds 15 to 25 miles per hour. Tonight, temperatures in the 60s along the Treasure Coast and inland, low 70s along the Palm Beach County coast. But as I have been emphasizing since we've been out here today, if you're going to be down here near the water, bring a jacket with you, because I know low 70s might seem warm, but the breeze is going to knock a few degrees off of that. It's going to feel cooler than that. Then tomorrow, high temperatures, low 80s. Again, low chances for rain, just a few fast-moving showers. Mostly sunny skies, gusty winds out of the east-northeast. Hazardous beach and boating conditions continue. But the intra-coastal looks pretty good if you're going to be bringing your boat down here to Sunfest. Is there still boat parking at Sunfest too? You can bring your boat?
Yeah, so there's information on the website about how to call in to get the ride for the water taxi.
For the water taxi. Okay. 7-day, I'm sorry, can we go back to the 7-day forecast? I'm sorry, I didn't get to talk about that yet. Can we just go back to that for 1 sec? There we go. I'm looking at it on my monitor here. So as we get into the weekend, 50% chance for showers both Saturday and Sunday, and we could hear a few rumbles of thunder in there. Now, rain chances might go up a little bit or even down a little bit, but there will be some rainfall around. That is not a washout, and I expect that we'll see some showers, and then we'll see some sunshine, then some showers and some sunshine. So there'll be intervals of both going on throughout the weekend and even into the beginning of next week. So just know that there is a chance for rain. Watch your WPTV app for live radar, no matter what you're doing over the weekend.